So we've got the light. We know we've worked it out. It's this light here. So you've got a light bulb there and a light bulb there. So we need to change the light bulb there. So now normally in the old days you used to be able to go and do it from the inside. Now in these minis they do have a little pouch here which you can take off like that, which I've put jackets in there, but you cannot get to the light bulb and take it out unless you've got hands the size of a 2-year-old, which most of us don't. But even if you had got the hands of a 2-year-old, you can't take the bulb completely out. So in their great wisdom, they've basically said that we have to take the chrome strip out. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. Now the thing about that, these have got little clips. So there's a clip there, there's a clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there. Now the thing is, because of this plastic, I mean this Mini's 2008, so the plastic gets hard. So you want to be careful when you're taking this out that you don't break those little clips. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how we'll do that. You need yourself a little kit like this, just so that you don't. I'll put a link to these in the description. So pick something like that one there, fairly sharp like that. Okay, when you go in there, so this clip here, what we do is we put this in here, right, and don't just like lever it up like that, because you're trying to put that's trying to pull that out that way. You want to try and make it go that way a bit and then out. So if we put it in here like that, oh, there, do you hear that go? We'll do it down the bottom there. There, it's gone. And we'll do it down the bottom here again. That's one's gone. So what I'm doing is I'm doing that, I'm levering it out that way, and then I'm pulling. Yeah, well, that's gone. There, look. Look at that. So there you can see where those clips are, look. Two there. Two there, look. You see what they are? And they basically clip onto these little clips here, look. You can see there, look, that one there, I can see, look, can you see that? I've split a little bit of that off, but all the others look pretty good. So that's good. Okay, so now what we have, we've got Torx there. So the torque bit there, one there, and one there. So let's undo those. So you need a T20 in there. 1, 2. I think that's been off for a while. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now if we get our little plastic tool, there, look, just gently, really gentle so you don't mark your paintwork, look. Now you can't get that all the way out as it is, it's got a little catch, yeah, which is why you have that little access panel. Yeah, so now what we need to do is we go in here, we'll take these out, little vests. By the way, that's your emergency pull for your fuel cap in case you get it. So then under here there's a thing at the bottom which stops you. There, push that from the bottom. There's a little catch on the bottom here which we have to put our fingers up there, and I'll show you where I'll get it out first and then you'll see. Yeah, so what you've got to do is you've got to push this one here, it's at the top. So if you look, that one there sort of clips like that, so you can't pull it out. So what you have to do is push that down. Yeah, so you pull it out from the bottom and then push that down with your finger, look, and it comes right out. So the whole unit comes out like that. Okay, so now if you want to change the bulb, we want to change this. I mean, you can disconnect it here, but we don't particularly want it. We just want to change this bulb, which we know it's the top one. Okay, these go like, if they're too hard, you can put yourself some pliers around there, but look, twist that to the left. So that went like that to the anti-clockwise and it's out. But the bulb actually doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to just quickly check it with the voltmeter, which we'll go inside and do that. Okay. All right, back inside now. So we set our voltmeter. I'll put a link to this in the description. We set it to the continuity. So you can touch the two things together, look. Okay, so now what we can do is take the bulb out of there. We'll just check it. Okay, I tried it and there wasn't any continuity, and then I've just cleaned the connections and I've got continuity. So I've just cleaned the connections in there and along the bottom there, and then all nice and clean. And now when I put this in here, there, if I try the continuity between two sides, see, I get continuity. So that's telling me the light bulbs will work now. So let's go and put that back. I mean, obviously, if your light bulb's broken, you can just replace it. It has got a bit of a black spot on it, but let's see. I'll just put that in and see if it works. Okay, so I've turned the lights on, look, just with parking lights, and that light bulb is working now. So we've got it all fixed. So obviously if your light bulb didn't work and it was totally broken, just replace it. But you now know how to replace it. So that one works, and then there should be another one. So it works top and bottom. So we fixed it. So now what we need to do is screw that back in, put the trim in, job done. But hope this video's been helpful. I mean, talk about making a big job just to replace a light bulb. You've got to take the plastic off, undo it, take the whole light thing off and undo it. But that's the way these modern cars are going. So hope that's helped you out. If you like the channel, subscribe, send me a comment. You can even buy me some gloves, actually, because I've run out of gloves. I normally have orange gloves on. I'm going to put a link for that. And just remember the most important thing, the really most important thing, is just remember you can do it, and we'll see you on the next video. Those of you still here, look, you get the little tip. When you're putting this back, put the top bit on first. So put this bit on first, clip it on the top there, and just go down. Yeah, clip, 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 clip there. She's all in there, good. Look, the light works top and bottom. So